Hey guys, so on this episode of Make It with Calvin, I'm going to be talking about these little roof plugs here that are 3D printed that are going on my dad's Corvair. So let's talk about it. So a while back, my dad asked me if I could 3D print him some plugs to go in some holes here on the roof of his Corvair, and I'd done that, but the problem is over time the filament that I was using broke down just from heat, UV, all that stuff. So what I've done is I've come back with some Filaflex, made these plugs, and I figured now is a good time to actually shoot a video on it. So let me go ahead and show you the hole, how it gets installed, all that good stuff. So this right here is one of the existing holes on the car for where the roof rack went, and pretty much the problem is right underneath there is the headliner, so that's where the plugs come in. This is one of the Filaflex plugs, and this one over here is one of the old ones that, as you can tell, just it isn't holding up very well. So I am genuinely curious how well the Filaflex ones are going to hold up relative to the others. So what I'm going to do is pull out the old ones. My dad's going to come along and clean this off, and then we'll go ahead and install the new ones. What I should also add that's complicating things with removing the old plugs, besides the fact that they want to fall apart, is the fact that my dad does have the headliner in there. So ideally we want to pull both pieces out. So let's see if we can pull that off or not.
I don't think if I just take something wet and put it on the phosphoric that it's going to lift a lot of it. So I guess it's just going to linger. Let me just try some spit and see what happens. I'm just thankful I got a son who can do this kind of stuff. Pardon? So here